silence comes the fire, beating hearts and rising choirs. Through the night the sound will lead every soul one day.